Did you know that nearly 80% of people live paycheck to paycheck? That's a shocking statistic. It really emphasizes how crucial financial education is in today's world. If we want to break that cycle and create real wealth, we need to dive into what financial literacy really means. So let's talk about Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book by Robert Kiyosaki contrasts two very different mindsets about money. On one side, we have the rich dad who believes in investing and creating assets, while on the other, we have the poor dad who thinks more traditionally about work and saving. These two perspectives shape the way we understand wealth and financial success. Now let's dig into the core challenge here: financial literacy. Many people think that making more money will solve their problems, but that's not always true. The reality is, a lot of us have misconceptions about wealth. We often believe that a good job and saving diligently are enough. However, without understanding how money works, we can end up stuck in a cycle of debt and financial struggle. Kiyosaki argues that most people aren't taught how to build wealth in school, and this lack of education leads to a widespread misunderstanding of how money truly functions. Let's explore the key lessons from both Rich Dad and Poor Dad. First up, Rich Dad teaches the importance of assets versus liabilities. Simply put, assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. This distinction is crucial. While Poor Dad believes in getting a good job and climbing the corporate ladder, Rich Dad emphasizes the need to invest in things that will generate income, like stocks, real estate, and businesses. Another vital lesson is the importance of financial independence. Kiyosaki encourages us to think like entrepreneurs rather than employees. This shift in mindset can lead to greater opportunities for wealth creation. Now here comes the key moment of realization for Kiyosaki. There's a pivotal point in the book when he understands the stark difference between the financial philosophies of his two father figures. It's the moment he recognizes that financial education is not just about earning money, but about understanding how to make money work for you. This realization shapes his entire approach to life and money, leading him to embrace risks, invest smartly, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. To wrap it up, Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers powerful insights into personal finance. The main takeaway? Financial literacy is essential if you want to break free from the rat race and build real wealth. It's all about understanding the difference between assets and liabilities and making your money work for you rather than just working for money. These lessons can transform how you view your financial future. So, what do you think? Have you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and what's your take on the lessons from it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about financial literacy, be sure to check out my other videos where we dive deeper into managing money and building wealth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.